Texan Global School. Multiplication and division of fractions. In this class, we will address the processes to perform multiplication and division of fractions. Let us remember the sign rules of multiplication and division. Specifically, if we multiply or divide equal signs, results positive. On the other hand, if we multiply or divide different signs, results negative as shown in the table. Hence, multiplication of fractions is performed by multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator directly. Let's look at a first example. We will perform the operation of 4/5 by 2/7. We will then multiply numerators directly. That is 4 times 2. And then we will multiply denominators directly, 5 times 7. By making the products, we get 8/35. In the following example, we will also perform a multiplication between fractions. We first use the sign rules of multiplication. Remembering these rules, negative times positive is negative. Now we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Finally, we separate into prime factors. The prime factors of 21 are 3 and 7. The prime factors of 20 are 2, 2, and 5. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. And the prime factors of 14 are 2 and 7. Once the prime factors, we can simplify by canceling identical factors. 3 with 3, because 3/3 is equal to 1. We continue then canceling 7 with 7, 2 with 2, and 2 with 2, resulting -5/2. On the other hand, the division of fractions is performed by obtaining the multiplicative inverse of the divisor, and then doing direct multiplication. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. In this example, we will divide 7/3 by 5/4. We first obtain the multiplicative inverse of 5/4, which is 4/5, since we multiply 5/4 by 4/5 resulting 1. Once the multiplicative inverse is obtained, we multiply 7/3 by 4/5, resulting 28/15. In this following example, we will divide 5/6 by -25/9. Likewise, we will obtain the multiplicative inverse of -25/9, which is -9/25, because if we multiply them, results the neutral element of multiplication, 1. Once the multiplicative inverse is obtained, we multiply 5/6 by -9/25. We multiply the signs first. Positive times negative equals negative. We then multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. We then separate prime factors. The prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. The prime factors of 25 are 5 and 5. We cancel identical factors, 5 with 5 and 3 with 3, thus obtaining -3/10. In this last example, we have a division and a multiplication. When operations with fractions are multiplication and division, first change the divisions to multiplications using the multiplicative inverse. So we first obtain the multiplicative inverse of the divisor by inverting numerator by denominator. Now we can see that the first factor is a whole number. We then denote it divided by 1 to facilitate the multiplication process. We then perform the signs rules of multiplication. Negative times positive is negative, and negative times positive is negative. Then direct multiplication is performed, numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. We separate prime factors to simplify and thus cancel identical factors, resulting -4/3. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com